Hi guys, good morning. So the workers are here and they are installing the toilet bowl and the shower and the lavatory and the rest of the bathroom accessories. So
Ang atong pag minahalay taytay. Tulot.
he just finished to install the tiles and he need to proceed at the back, which is where is the dirty kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys. So after I already finished to put the tiles in the main door, so he's gonna proceed here at the back, which is where's my dirty kitchen. So this is my dirty kitchen and he still need to put a tiles all over here, and I need to ask the foreman to make a kitchen, what you call that, like for kitchen here, for dirty kitchen. So this is it, and he need to finish all that too, and that one and the other and outside too. So actually I've been sleeping here since a couple of nights na, and yeah, I'm looking forward to finish the house. And actually I don't have any furniture yet, and the appliances, so I'm looking forward to complete this house. So I'm going upstairs and to see the foreman that what he's done in the bathroom. So I asked them to bring all this toilet bowl here so he can, so it's easy for him to install the toilet bowl in the CR. And this one, and this is the shower, and this is the shower stuff, and yeah, this is the shower stuff, and this one is the kitchen sink and all that, and this is the floor drain. And I'm going, sorry for the mess because it's not done, fully done yet here. So so he's working on the flooring, and he's finished putting the tiles for the in the wall. Wow, actually I choose this color because I like when the light reflects the wall. So, and this one is not shiny, and this is a rough tiles because you know when you take a bath, so it won't slippery. For sure it's gonna be. And this is where that he's gonna put the toilet bowl, and this one is for the lavatory, and and this one, this side is the shower. So that one is the shower. So this is the bathroom. It's done flooring, and this is, and so this one is the lavatory here, and the toilet.
hours later.
So I'm here in the upstairs and I'm going to check what is there done. So wow, so he's in the he's almost there now. So let's proceed to the next room. So he's done putting the lavatory, the toilet bowl, and the shower. So I really love black. Love is one of my favorite colors, so I choose black instead of silver. It's a So I'm looking forward to finish this bathroom so I can have my own CR na. So I have a CR here. Hi guys, so finally they are done working on the tiles, and actually the terrace tiles is all done and it's all set. And actually I didn't make a video because of I was charging my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys. So the tiles in that terrace are done. So this is it, and also the bathroom they are done putting this lavatory is all set up, and the bathroom and the toilet bowl, the bathing, and also the shower. Oh wow, it's amazing. So all they have to do here is they need to put a grout on the tiles, and actually they are testing if the waters how the I mean the how's the water is very strong, as you can see. But I mean, look at, so I shouldn't let that floor wet because they have to put the grout here. So it's all set, and here it's all done. So this one's still wet. So I like it. Oh, it's a final bathroom. It's all. So I need to clean the nest here, and so I can transfer all my stuff here in this room. As for now, it's still dusty, and I need to sweep all the floor around here. So mop here in the upstairs. So I'm going to mop the floor here before I proceed. So the dust is all gone. So good luck.
Bye.